Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that's your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and you'll know when I upload a new video. So here is the unboxing for what I bought during the luxury YouTuber meetup in London recently. Now I'm sure you've seen plenty of vlogs already, you've probably seen some unboxings by now because there was quite a lot of shopping that was done. And I did buy two items, no prizes for guessing where from. They're both Fendi. They're both a little bit of impulse purchases because one item is a repeat of something I already have in my wardrobe. Well, I have a few of them. They are staple in my wardrobe, so I knew I couldn't go wrong with them, so you probably can guess what they are, and I'll show you those in a second. The other item, a definite impulse buy, because I was actually going to buy that particular item but in a completely different colour, and I've ended up going for the colour I'm about to show you. Now, I went to Fendi in Harrods on the Friday of the weekend to meet my client advisor. When I got there, she was already seeing the fabulous Gwenny from Style by Gwenny and the Lion. And I turned up with Hannah from So Much Design with Hannah because she's a big Fendi fan as well. And so we totally gate crashed Gwenny's appointment, but we had a fantastic time and I got my first glass of champagne in a luxury boutique. So if you've watched my a previous video called Never Have I Ever, which I'll link below, watch that because I tell you a story about myself and champagne in a luxury boutique, and now I have smashed that Never Have I Ever because my client advisor got me a couple of lovely glasses of champagne. So we were sitting sipping champagne with Hannah and with Gwenny and with the Lion, and we were having a fabulous afternoon. And then the lovely Lisa from Luxury and Life in the Middle arrived, fresh from her flight from New York. And yeah, so we were just trying on, looking at different Fendi items. And I made a decision to buy something in a certain colour, and I said to my client advisor, I'm going to come back on Sunday when it's a little bit calmer, and I'm going to have a look at it again, and I'm going to buy it on Sunday. We then had the big luxury YouTuber meetup on the Saturday, went to Fendi in Selfridges. I saw an item there, I totally and utterly fell in love with it, completely different colour, and I messaged my client advisor in Harrods and said, can I change my mind? I'd like to buy it in this colour instead. And she said, yes, we have it. So again, the deal was done and I arranged to have it shipped to me rather than bring it home on the train on the Sunday. So without further ado, I've got a great big box from Harrods here that arrived today. It's got the two items in it, so let's get unboxing. There was a lovely card inside from my essay, and I'll just read it. And she says, Dear Claire, thank you for choosing us. Your support means a lot to us. I am sure you will love your new blank 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 and blank blank, the two items. I can't wait to see you again in our boutique. With love, Valentina and all the Fendi family. And that's my client advisor, and I have the same client advisor as Gwenny because Gwenny hooked me up with her and she is absolutely lovely. So the first item, okay, I have a few of these already. Here we go. You can see this is two dust bags, so we have a pair of shoes. And what do we have? Of course, this is me. We have the Fendi Colibris. And these are in the 8.5 centimetre heel. Normally I get the 5 or 5.5 centimetre, the smaller heel. However, they didn't do this particular style in the smaller heel. I can just about wear this heel. That's probably as high as I ever want to go. But I thought actually I don't have a pair of Colibris like this with the higher heel, so these might be nice. Yes, they are very similar to what I've already got. I've got the brown standard Fendi ones. I've got the all black ones. So these are black with a pale blue band across here. They've got pale blue on this side, on the outside, and then the rest of the straps here are in a navy blue. I wear a lot of navy, I'm wearing navy today, and obviously I do wear black, so I just felt this was a perfect colour. This will fit in my wardrobe and just gives me a Colibri with a slightly higher heel. So let's pop the other one out. You can see both of them in all their glory. Yep. So yet another pair of Fendi Colibris for me. My favourite shoe. The ones I've got already I wear all the time, So I'm very, very happy to have another pair with slightly higher heel. I'm usually 39.5. These have sold out in a 39.5. So I got them in a 39. I can get away with a 39. They do work for me. And I have tried them on and they do fit fine. They're absolutely fine. So I can wear 39 or 39.5. Right, let's pop them down. And here is the real impulse buy. Now this is in a shoebox, but it is actually a bag. So let's get the lid off. There we go. Nestling inside is a small dust bag. Now, I wonder if any of you can guess what this might be. You might be able to guess the style of the bag, but you might not be able to guess what colour I went for. This is a mini baguette, and I went for the fuchsia pink. Look at that pink. I am not a pink person. I don't own any pink bags. I have a very, very pale shell pink bag from Aspinall of London. That's it. I don't have bright coloured bags. I don't have pink bags. What was I doing? What was I thinking? I saw this in Selfridges. Now, I was wearing navy. I was actually wearing this t-shirt, which is why I've put it on specifically for the unboxing. Because this pink, this fuchsia with the navy just absolutely popped. And I put this on and I didn't want to take it off. It just looked so amazing. I had like a navy and paler blue pattern skirt, my navy t-shirt, and this pink just went so well. And then I started imagining this pink with all the other things I've got in my wardrobe. I started imagining it with black, with other blue items I've got in my wardrobe, with some pink I've got in my wardrobe, and I just knew it would work for me. And it was, yeah, where's Claire and what have you done with her? Why is she obsessing over a pink bag? I did think about it for a while. I kept coming back to this. I looked at other items, I tried on some other bags. I actually also looked at a peekaboo. Now, I've always thought in the past I'm not a peekaboo person, but they had a mini peekaboo in this colour, in Celeria leather, and it was absolutely beautiful. And so I can very much see myself being a peekaboo person in the future. But for me, the mini baguette was the one to go for. It's the soft nappa leather, like my blue baguette. And yeah, so it's still got the plastic here on the strap. It's got the sticker on the hardware, which I haven't obviously taken off yet. I've literally have just received this. It's stuffed inside. Let's get the stuffing out. It's just one compartment inside, a couple of credit card holders, and you can fit your phone in there and a few other bits. So, you know, for me, perfect mini bag. Oh gosh, it's adorable. It's absolutely adorable. So she does come with the long crossbody strap, which I'll take out, which has the pink shoulder strap and then beautiful gold hardware and the little clips, so they clip on like that. So yeah, there she is. I was going to get this bag potentially in white. I discussed on my last video that I've never bought a white bag before, and I am looking for a white bag. I was going to get it in white. However, the white mini baguette is part of the permanent collection. It's always there. This was seasonal, and I knew if I didn't jump on this, by the time I'd bought the white, saved up to buy another one, then this would have gone. So I had to be decisive. I had to say, yes, if I'm going to go for this, I've got to get this one now. The white one will have to wait. Maybe that will be the next one. But yeah, look at it. Doesn't it just go so good with the navy? And I went and tried it on again the next day, and I was wearing black, and it goes with black as well. And I've looked at my wardrobe, and I know there's actually quite a lot that it will go with in my wardrobe, unbelievably. I never thought I would be saying this. I never thought I'd be sitting here with a fuchsia pink bag saying that I have a lot of things that it will go with. So yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled with it. I will try and post some mod shots of me wearing her once I've taken all of this off, maybe over on Instagram. So if you aren't, please go and follow me over there. So I'm going to ask Gwenny from Styled by Gwenny, Nick from Living Life Loud with NJS, Amelia Rose from Amelia Rose's Closet, and Meredith from Living Luxe with Meredith, whether I can join the Pink Club. Am I allowed to be in the Pink Club now that I've got this beauty? Let me know. I'll link all their channels below. They are the pink lovers among us. So if you like this, go and check out their channels because they have got so many pink bags between them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.